everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhi. Hope you are doing great. See, there is one very small request. Whenever you hear something from social media, at least don't believe it immediately. Or if you have a lot of questions and queries, you can drop down the mail and then you can ask for it. Now today video is also based upon that queries, that is regarding the next exam for the dental student. Whether it is there or not, when it will be there, what will happen, how it take place, everything. There are lots of queries session regarding the next exam. So today's video is all about the next exam for the dental students. First of all, we need to understand the full form of the next exam. That is the National Exit Test is known as the next exam. Exit test from which course, which criteria, like in which field, that is most important, right? So in this video I am gonna talk about the next exam, and it is the information which I got from the NMC. The authentic information is there in this video, so it's my humble request that you can watch this video till the end. And don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, clear your queries and doubts, and subscribe to my channel if you are new on my channel. One more thing, whenever there is any new update regarding the next exam, definitely it will come on my channel for sure. So even if you are more interested in this, then stay tuned with my channel by subscribing this channel. Most important question regarding the next exam is that when it's going to start or when it's going to take place, right? So as this question is on the minds of the people, and that's why they send me a lot of queries regarding this in my mail. Asked in July 2023, so definitely it takes 2 to 3 years for the implementation. As you already know, right now also the MCC have changed their rule from this year onwards for the PG counseling or the NEET MDS counseling, right? So similarly, in July they have passed the bill, so it take 2 to 3 years to implement. They have to make a certain criteria of the next exam, like what level of the questions will be there in that, what type of the questions will be there in that exam, what will be the syllabus, and so on. In the upcoming year and for the next 2 to 3 years at least, exam will occur in 2026 year. Before that, it's next to impossible to have the next exam right now, but let's see. Right now the scenario, and on the basis of the scenario I will say that it will take place in 2026, right? Third and final year of dentistry, they do not need to worry about the next exam. But on the other hand, those who are taking admission in the BDS course this year, or they are in the first year or the second year of the BDS, definitely they need to worry about the next exam. Yes, it is the exit cum licensing exam for all the dental students in India. They are going to ask the clinical question, the same thing which you have done in your BDS curriculum, the same clinical questions they're gonna ask from the same syllabus which you read from first year to final year of dentistry. Later the pattern may be changed. We don't have any reference right now and the information right now, what all things and how the things are planned out in the next exam. This single exam will replace all the existing dental exam like NEET MDS, INSET or the final year of the BDS exam. So ये 3 exam को replace करेगा. Now what is the key feature of the next exam? First, it is the exam which give you the one feature that after giving this exam you have the license to practice. Second, each and every dental student will only be able to practice in dentistry in India after clearing this next exam. This is for sure. It is also a screening test for the foreign graduate to practice dentistry in India if they want to. Third, to get the dental registration, you need to pass the next exam. You need to enroll in the national or the state registration. For that, each dentist need to pass this next exam and then he or she can get the registration. Third, it acts as a MDS entrance examination. As I told you earlier that they will gonna replace the NEET MDS also. Right? To the MDS in all the government and the private dental colleges will be given based upon the rank which is generated by the score of this next exam. This is very important. The BDS, it will be totally different from the previous year dental examinations like NEET MDS or INSET like. It will be comprises of the two steps. One is the step 1 and second is the step 2. Now what come in the step 1? Step 1 as such not mentioned in dental but it is mentioned in medical, and that's why I am telling you, because whatever changes happen in medical, the same impact and same changes you can see in dental. As I told you, it is act as a first hand tires of a car, like aage ke front tires of a car. That's why, right? Medical, dental. So similarly, the first step include that it will held twice a year after the completion of the final year of the BDS. It is theory based exam. Online mode is there, MCQ is there, centralized exam is there, syllabus will be of final year of BDS. Improvement of the score can be done by within a gap of 1 year after step 2. Definitely it will replace the conventional university theory examination. Minimum marks to pass the next exam is the 50%. Second step, it is the supplementary exam for those who do not pass, right? It is practical or clinical based. Definitely it includes the Viva. Exam will held live by the dental college based on the guidelines which is provided by the National Dental Commission. No restrictions on the number of attempts till 10 years. They only give the pass or fail as a result. In this all about the today's info regarding the next exam, you don't need to worry right now. The matter to worry is for the new BDS, first year BDS student, second year BDS student and the new aspirant to the BDS admissions right now. Those who are in third year, final year or in internship, you don't need to worry about the next exam, right? So that's all about the today's video regarding your query that is related to the next exam. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Thank you for watching.